Okay, let's get our hands dirty. We'll walk through how to set up your development environment for building AI-powered applications with ChatGPT. We'll be using Google Colab in this section, which is a free cloud-based tool that allows you to run Python code without needing any local setup. So in this section, we'll be using Google Colab, but in the next sections, whenever the web scraping comes to play, we will be using also local setups to run our scrapers in the background. So playwright kind of scrapers needs to be running in the background to scrape the data while we're performing something with the code. But anyway, don't worry about it. We'll be also learning about it. We will also learning scrapers. We'll be also creating scrapers to get the data from social media and Amazon, etc. So for now, let's just continue with the Colab. Okay, Colab is great because it provides pre-configured Python environment with all essential libraries, so you don't have to worry about installing anything. Plus, it's accessible from any browser. It allows you to easily share notebooks with others. So first things first, you gotta have a Google account to use this Google Colab notebooks. So all you have to do is just search for Google Colab, okay, and go to this link, head to this website, and okay, right now you are ready to create your first ever notebook if you didn't use this Google Colab. So first, click this file here and create a new notebook. Here's you can see new notebook in Drive. I will create one here and you can double click it and rename it whatever you like. So then we will continue to installing some required libraries. So Colab comes with many Python libraries installed, but we'll need to install the OpenAI library to work with the ChatGPT's API. Here's how, pip quiet install OpenAI. So whenever you run this, it will be installing OpenAI, it will be importing OpenAI in your Python environment. So let's just run this again. As you can see here, I'm just connected to one of the Google Cloud servers. As you can see, I have some resources, some RAM, some disk and stuff. Also, we have some storage in the left, as you can see. So you can also mount your drive to access and do something with your files in the drive. You can easily do something with your files whenever you're working with the code. You can also do something. All right, let's just continue with the next cell, which is importing OpenAI in our work environment. So here you can see. So now we're importing OpenAI from OpenAI, import OpenAI. And right now, to use ChatGPT, you need an API key from OpenAI. So let's just type OpenAI platform and just log in here. If you don't have an account, you gotta have an account. Just sign up here. And once you sign up here, you're ready to go. Let's just go with the usage. Let's just go to organization overview, and these are my projects here. And once you're on this website, you're gonna head to this section, API keys. Then let's just create a new secret key. Let's just name it Udemy, and select all. We can also limit the capabilities of the API key, but on this matter, we're not doing this in this case. So just create a new secret key, and there you have it. Just copy it and paste it in your Google Colab. I'm gonna paste it right over here. All right. So after that, you're good to go. Let's just click that button here. All right. So now we imported our OpenAI, and we also got the OpenAI's key. So don't use this OpenAI keys because OpenAI's key is just identical, and you need to have your own OpenAI key. Okay, now in the next cell, I'm just testing if that works. So as you can see, I'm just creating a new variable here, response, and we created a client here, as you can see, and I'm just now using this client variable to call the chat completions create endpoint from OpenAI's API. Client.chat.completions.create. Now we're just creating our OpenAI's API, like kind of like agent. Let's just say role user. This is us, and content. I'm just saying hi, and we're choosing model to GPT-4o. You can also Let's select some other models. Let's just see what our options are, what options we have. All right, these are the model you can use. As you can see, except this one, you need to be tier 5 to use this in order to use this in your Google Colab, but GPT-4 or GPT-4 is sufficient enough to create some great applications too. Not a big deal, all one preview. So these are kind of like alpha anyway. So I will continue with the GPT-4o in this video. So let's just run it to see. Hello, how can I assist you today? And let's just ask, who is? Oh, sorry for the typo, but anyway. Yeah, Leonardo da Vinci was an Italian polymath, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's working. So, okay, we've successfully set up a Python development environment using Colab and connected to the ChatGPT's API. In the next video, we'll deep dive into OpenAI's documentary to get familiar with it. Okay, see you in the next one.